always need pills and other heavy measures to get a good night's sleep. Aromatherapy is an extremely powerful way to influence our moods and our emotions, and a wonderful way to counter depression and anxiety. The way that it works is that the aroma molecules travel up to your nose or into your nose, and they dissolve in the mucous membranes that line the nose. From there, olfactory neurons transport those aromas via the olfactory nerve into the olfactory bulb, and from there into the limbic system. The limbic system is a very old part of the brain where our moods, our emotions, and our memories are created and stored. So, chamomile, for example, will trigger the limbic system into calming the mind and calming the body, especially when we're overstimulated. Rose geranium will do the same, and it gives us a kind of lighter approach to things. And rose will also calm the nervous system down and make us relax. So the three together are a great way to combat anxiety, depression, and sleeplessness. A pillow spray is really simple to make. I've used alcohol and rose water, but you can also substitute some of the alcohol with plain water if you like. It doesn't last as long, but it's absolutely fine. Using alcohol and a rose hydrolate makes it a good bacteria buster. That's why I've also done it. Because sometimes I use this pillow spray as an emergency deodorant. I always keep a little bottle of it in my handbag, and I use it, as I say, as an emergency deodorant, but also just a little spray in the back of a collar, on a child's blankie, a little spritz in the car when you need a little bit of aromatherapy calm on the go. Remember always to shake your pillow spray before using it, because that way you'll get all the essential oils to mix nicely. They tend to rise to the top, especially the rose oil rises to the top if it's left standing for a while. This is an atomizer that I found on a market a while ago, and I've put my pillow spray into this, and I keep it next to my bed, and I spray it in my aura, charisma bubble, energy field, whatever you'd like to call it, a little bit just before I go to sleep. So I hope you're going to buy the ingredients, and I hope you're going to make pillow sprays for yourself and for those you love and care about. Until next time, enjoy.